My project is a fridge controller to control the temperature and humidity of a fridge more accurately than a normal thermostat. I used a RBoard from ITead Studios, a 16:2 character LCD display with a I2C interface to reduce the number of pins I use. A DHT11 temperature and humidity controller, a little module like this, measures temperature and humidity all in one, gives a digital signal back to the RBoard, and a Wave Zigbee Bluetooth controller to set the parameters of the fridge. The basic flow chart of my system is the inputs, the temperature and humidity sensor, the water level switch to give me an alarm if the humidifier's water level is too low, and the Bluetooth module. The outputs, my LCD display, and the 4 onboard relays on the RBoard. The one will control the compressor of the fridge, the other one the internal fan to help with the circulation. The one will control the humidifier. When the humidity is too low, it will switch on. When the humidity is too high, it will switch off again. And then the alarm for my low level, my water level for my humidifier. The basic flow of data. LCD will display the project name and the author, and then the instantaneous temperature and humidity. And then if you activate the Bluetooth communication, it will show you the lower and upper temperature margins, and so you can increase the lower and upper temperature with the fridge switch on and off. And then when the temperature is too low, the compressor will switch off. When the temperature is too high, the compressor will switch on again. Humidity, when it's too low, the humidifier will switch on, and when the humidity is too high, the humidifier will switch off again. When the water level of the humidifier is too low, it will give me an alarm. When you fill it up with water again, the alarm will go off. My basic block diagram, with my 12 volt DC input for my RBoard, outputs to my LCD display. My Bluetooth module is output and input, my fan, my fridge compressor, another output's my buzzer or my alarm, output's my humidifier, and as I said, input's my temperature and humidity sensor. Basic schematic, my ITead inputs and outputs. I use 4 and 5 for my LCD display. I use my ITead 3 for my float switch, and 1 for my temperature and humidity sensor. My relays will switch my my fridge, my fan, humidifier, and my alarm on and off. Basic PCB I designed will fit right onto my RBoard with all the pins. Can I just solder everything directly onto my PCB instead of onto my RBoard itself. Here's just a basic photo of my project. Okay, my LCD display is mounted on the face of my enclosure. Shows your temperature and humidity. The fridge is still busy, temperature is still busy going down. And then if I connect to my Bluetooth, just start the process over. It'll show my temperature and humidity. Let's connect my RoboRemo menu, connect Bluetooth, my WaveShare EDR. If I'm connected, I can increase and decrease my lower limit, and and I can increase and decrease my upper limit of my fridge, where it should switch on, and the lower limit is where it should switch off again. When I open my fridge, inside you'll see the humidifier with the fan, and there at the back is my circulating fan. If I switch it on, the fan goes on, help with circulation, and if I want to go out of my Bluetooth setup, I just press exit and it goes out and shows my instantaneous temperature and humidity. I bypassed my float switch in my humidifier just to show you how the alarm will work for my low level water level. If I just short this plug out, the alarm goes on, the light, and when I fill it up again, it will stop. Here's my little temperature and humidity sensor. Got a nice circulation of air going down at the back and up again. And that picks up all the temperature and humidity. And on the inside of my project, you'll see my power supply giving 12 volt to my RBoard. There's my outputs for my relays. This is my VeraBoard. I did to connect everything to my RBoard. My little siren, and on the inside of the lid is my LCD display with the I2C interface. Thank you.